मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं है।
Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. After witnessing a surplus month of rainfall, for past some weeks we are witnessing hot days here in Punjab, and to know the present weather condition and what is the forecast, we are having with us Dr. P.K. Kingra, head of the meteorology department here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. So welcome ma'am to The Sovera. Ma'am, what is the present weather condition?
From a few days, monsoon has withdrawn from the region, so we are observing clear sky conditions. So we also observed some increase in daytime temperature also, and but today the temperature is near normal. Today's daytime temperature is 33.6 degrees centigrade, which is above normal by 0.1 degree centigrade, and today's nighttime temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, and this is above normal by 4.9 degrees centigrade.
And if we talk about the coming days, whether the temperature will increase further?
We are not expecting any significant change in temperature during coming days. But if we see the weather conditions for the coming days, for coming 2 to 3 days, there can be light shower in the northern districts like Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Hoshiarpur. And after that, around 4th and 5th, there can be light rain in other districts also. But on 5th, IMD has also issued a yellow alert for thundering or winds in the northern as well as southwestern districts.
As we have witnessed a surplus monsoon this year, what is the normal rainfall of October? Whether we are expecting that this October month will also be rain surplus?
Normal rainfall for the month of October for Ludhiana is 10.4 millimeter. But as today is 1st October, so it's too early to predict the rainfall for the whole month. But we can expect in the coming few days there can be rain, like in coming 2 to 3 days it can be in some northern districts, and around 4th and 5th there can be light rain in other districts also.
So she was Dr. P.K. Kingra, head of the meteorology department here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. So as she mentioned that for past some days we are witnessing hot days, the temperature has also increased, but now there are chances of relief as IMD has issued yellow alert for October 5 for northern and western districts of Punjab. So she also mentioned that a light to moderate rainfall can be witnessed in some of the districts of Punjab, and in coming on October 3 and 4 also light rainfall can be witnessed at the isolated areas of the Punjab. So this is all about the weather condition and the forecast. You are watching The Sovera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.